Hi, everybody. This is 𝐬𝐧 𝐓𝐡𝐞. I'm going to be your host for today webinar. So, congrats for making it to this webinar called How to Become Financially Free in Less Than 12 Months Without a Big Starting Capital. So, my name is 𝐬𝐧 𝐓𝐡𝐞. I'm co-owner at Golden Option, and I will be your host for today webinar. So, congrats. So today you will also learn the easy, simple, and highly profitable Forex trading strategy that we use to turn $700 to more than 1.1 million in less than 3 years. Now, I know it's a big claim, so some of you might be thinking it must be a scam, and this is an earning disclaimer at the same time. Disclaimer, guys. So everything that you will do, you have to put work into it. Okay, you have to be dedicated, and it will not. We have the photo of a farmer here, and it says, I planted a seed, but it did not get a crop in 30 days. Must be a scam. So, the result disclaimer, guys, results are not typical, so don't be typical. It says that you will learn how to become financially free in less than in 12 months or less, not in 30 days or 2 weeks. So I started back in 2016. Actually, Golden Option started back in 2016 as well. And I started into getting into Forex trading into 2016. At that time, the photo that you see at the right, this was my actual desk, working desk, trading desk. And I was living in a tiny apartment, if we can call it that. It was actually like a junction of a house, so it was not even like a real apartment, and it was very cold in Canada winter. So I used to wake up in the morning, go to gym, and go to school trying to become a real estate agent. And I would go back into this little tiny apartment at night and try to make it happen. So, to make a long story short, I was trying to become a real estate agent, never became one. I was 20 something dollar in debt. I passed all the tests and everything, but when it came time to actually get my license and everything, I was so broke. I couldn't afford the license, the insurance, getting started and everything. So I ended up with 23,000 something plus in debt, of credit card debt and student loan. And I was actually not making any revenue because my student loan stopped coming in. I was not able to get any other credit card, and I was stuck. I actually had to make it happen. And on top of that, I had blown so many trading accounts. I don't know if you recognize yourself, but I had put like a $200, I blew it, put $1,000, I traded for a few weeks, a few months, and I lost it all gradually, right? Or sometime I would just get another $200, $500 back. I blow so many account, probably seven, eight, nine account. So it cost me probably $5,000 to blow some account. But when I came in contact with Nicholas, which is my cousin, Golden Option co-owner with me, and we like had a Christmas event, and at Christmas we didn't really talk that much. So at Christmas we kind of like figured it out that we were both into Forex trading, and he actually had some really good results. So that was Christmas in 2016. So I was like, oh, amazing. So anyway, we'll talk to you about that in a few seconds. But basically it cost us about $5,000 of basically below account to make more than 1.1 million to this day, and also get some trading investors capital. So we're gonna talk about that as well. So first of all, if you stay until the end, I have a free gift, actually two free gift for my special viewer who will stay until the end of this presentation. This is gonna be, like this is gonna be a long presentation. Here we got a lot of good stuff in there to cover. So it's going to be probably a 90-minute presentation. I will give you, if you stay until the end, a trading journal that we use at Golden Option. And on top of that, I will give you another amazing gift that is worth $1,997. And that is not a made up price. That is something that we are actually selling on a regular basis at $1,997, and I will give it to you for free at the end of this presentation. So some quick case study of some people that we helped to get results. At your left, we had Jade. You see a beautiful picture in New York. Jade likes to travel, and he's been able to do that, and he actually now living in a really cool place in Miami, and he is owner of a coffee shop, and he is making some really good profit with Forex trading, and he's able to live the life that he truly wants. At the right, we got Antoine. Antoine was one of the first student of Nicholas back in 2016, start of 2017, and Antoine was actually studying to become a actual professional trader into the bank and hedge fund and everything, and he actually became that, was able to do that. But before he became a professional trader and got his own program and everything, he is actually he learned obviously to become a professional trader from the banks and everything. But before making that, he already had made $1 million plus just as a retail trader, starting with a capital of five to $10,000. So this is completely insane. Obviously, results are not typical, but Antoine is now trading for the banks, and he's obviously not teaching because he cannot, because he's trading for the banks, but he has some amazing result with us. So who is this for? This is for complete beginners. So if you're getting started, you don't even know really what Forex or trading is, this is for you. This is for the new trader. So people that are into trading already, they know what Forex is, what trading is, or they're just trading something else like the stock market, binary option, or crypto, and they want to get started with Forex the right way. This is for seasoned traders, so trader that have been trading for a while, but have not been able to really get a grasp and really be consistently profitable. So they basically start and stop, and they get other capital and they start again. So if that is you, this is for you. This is also for experienced and busy trader, because even though if you're profitable, we have an amazing program that can step up your game to another level. We have a lot of offer of services that we offer in this program. So this is for you as well. If you're a college or a uni student, this is perfect for you. This is something really great that you can do on your own time with just a few minute or hour per day, and you can make a lot of extra income, a good extra income, and you will see some result from a bunch of people from 80 plus country that we have from everywhere in the world. that are following your method. If you're an employee, this is good for you as well. You need only a few 30 minutes per day, maybe an hour per day. You can make it happen. If you're a retiree, believe it or not, I got my mother into trading. She actually was asking me a bunch of questions, so I show her how to do that, and she got started trading. This is for digital nomads. So if you're already living the laptop lifestyle, you're an online entrepreneur, you're making money from your laptop, from your cell phone, this is a really, really good way to make money while you're already doing what you're doing. And this is for entrepreneur people that wants to that are like motivated, right? They want to experience things, they want to try things, and this is for people who are willing to take risk. And this is also for stay-at-home mom and dad. We got a lot of stay-at-home mom and dad that are doing this, and they, believe it or not, like they take your program and they learn how to make some really, really good extra income, and it really changed their lives. So this is also for investors. So we got a little map here that who is it for. So this is also for investor if you want to make your money work for you. So in this presentation, how to become financially free in less than 12 months without a big starting capital, and learn the easy, simple, and highly profitable Forex trading strategy that we use to turn $700 to 1.1 million in less than 3 years. So I want to present you Nicholas. He is corner with me at Golden Option, and Nicholas is trading investors capital at the moment. We're going to talk about his history in a few minutes, but Nicholas has made more than $1 million personally with trading, and since then he's been teaching a lot Forex trading to people all over the world. And we also got investors capital, so this is something that we're showing, and this is part of our strategy. So this is how you can become financially free in less than 12 months. This is by using other people's money, right? So if you become profitable, you learn the skills, there's a lot of capital, there's a lot of money in this world, and people wants to make their money work for them. So my goal for this web class is to show you and prove you that the only way for you to become financially free is through mentoring. Let me repeat that. The only way to become financially free and a full-time Forex trader is through having a mentor, okay? And why we are qualified, because like I said, we've been teaching people for now more than 3 years for 80 plus country. We got 4,400 plus members from all over the world. We got VIP members, premium members from all over the world as well. You can see at the left here, this is Nicholas back in 2017, was already teaching full classes in our beautiful office in Montreal, Canada. We did a bunch of workshop seminar, 2-day seminar, free workshop, pay workshop. Now we're starting to go online. So this is why we're qualified. So we have 15 years of Forex trading experience combined. I talk about Nicholas, we're going to talk about myself a little bit, my story as well, but we have some literally analysts, some professional trader in our team that are some of them are teaching, some of them are doing fundamental analysis, technical analysis, some of them are trading capital, but we have more than 15 years of Forex trading in experience as full-time Forex trader. We are the #1 Forex signals provider in the world. So we're teaching a lot, but we also have a Forex signals services, and we're the #1 Forex signals provider in the world. We have hundreds of members, and we've been providing signals for 3 years plus, profitable almost every single month. We have more than 350 VIP members on a daily basis that are following our signals, more than 4,400 members from all over the world's community of 285,000 plus trader, and obviously this is growing every single day. We have one millionaire student, so Antoine. We have two millionaire mentor. We have multiple six-figure earner trading for us and as our student as well. We have dozen and dozen of job quitted and full-time trader created, which is what we are the most proud of. And we are a wealth and education company. So it's not just Forex, it's really about mastering the money game and showing how to become wealthy. So why you are qualified? Well, first of all, you are on this webinar at this very moment. You took a action, and you will actually stay until the end and take time out of your day, out of your life to watch this presentation. So this makes you qualify. Golden option history. So awesome regular guy made it happen big in the Forex market. So this is a picture start of 2017. So it's been a while. At the left, you got Nicholas. At the right, we got Nathan. He's not a co-owner anymore, but he was one of the founder. He actually like sold his part a while ago. But I wanted to put him in here because he was one of the founders, so we didn't forget him. But this is Nicholas teaching already back in 2017. Like I said, we had some. So this is me taking all the photo, by the way, but so I know I was there. This is us teaching basically in 2017 to a lot of dedicated and passionate students. A lot of these people have become full-time traders, especially the ones that are taking our program. Okay. So golden option summer 2017. So the picture at the left, summer 2017, we already had acquired a very good amount in our trading account at that moment. We're talking about six-figure plus. Already at that moment, Nicholas was able to buy his dream car, a beautiful BMW with a Forex plate, got the Audi as well. You can see Nicholas on the second picture talking to his money. It's a little funny. It's not just about money, it's really about becoming financially free, right? Nicholas has a son. He's now able to travel or to pay for his son tuition and everything, and it's just he's able to be there for him, right? So beautiful photo. And for me, now let's talk about me a little bit. All I wanted to do is make enough money to not work for a boss anymore and being wake up by an alarm clock, but I had to work on myself first. So I was trying to make it out of my 9 to 5. Look, don't get me wrong. I was pushing it, right? I was an entrepreneur from the start. I tried a lot of things. I tried multiple things. It seems like nothing was working. And maybe that is you as well. You see on the picture on the left, that is me. I'm not promoting the shakes and pushing shakes anymore, but I really like the mentality that this company has brought me. It made me met my mentor Jim Rohn, actually discovered Jim Rohn, rest in peace. But I really started to work on myself with Jim Rohn and personal motivation and meeting a lot of great mentor, right? So I started working on myself at that moment, and that's when I realized that this is what I wanted to do. Like, I wanted to become financially free. So I discovered one day when I was doing personal development, this book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Okay. And it completely changed my life. You probably already heard or probably even read this book already, or this audiobook, The concept in his book are amazing. That day changed my life. So I started like understanding the value of my time and understanding a little bit more about money and what they didn't told us in school. So that's not your fault if to this point you didn't make it, because nobody told you. And you probably had parents like mine that was really good parents, hardworking parents, but didn't really know that much about money, right? My father went to university. He has a good job, but he doesn't know about money. Never taught me about money. Never took care of his credit. Never like told me like what was credit, what was debt, what was finance, what was taxes. So anyway, all I wanted to do, I was telling myself, if I can make like $1,500 to $2,000 per month, because I'm living in Canada, so wherever you are in the world, I'm pretty sure like most places, unless you're in really, really highly priced places like New York and California, maybe you need a little bit more than that. But for most people, $1,500 to $2,000 per month, you can actually like live off that. Like, I'm not saying like be rich and everything, maybe not even comfortable for most people, but you can actually like pay a rent and pay for some food, basically, right? So I was telling myself that. So if I can pay for my rent and pay for some foods, I don't have to like go to a job, a 9 to 5, so I can work from home from my computer. I'm all good, baby. I'm all good. And look, this was a blessing. It did happen to me, but it wasn't fast as you think. So this is when goldenoptiontrading.com got started. So January 28, 2017, this is officially when I talked to Nicholas and I said, look, I was at that time on Instagram and I said, look, I think I can make this thing happen. So at that time, okay, you see the photo of me. Like I said, this is like really the apartment I had, like really like nothing fancy. I had blew multiple trading account at that point, and my student loan wasn't coming in. I couldn't get a job. I needed money to eat, to survive, and to pay the rent. So from March, so basically I told Nicholas, like I was saying, we can make something happen on Instagram. So Nicholas was teaching people, but he was not online at that time. So I basically put him online. I knew a little bit about Instagram. I got into Forex because of Instagram. Maybe most of you got into Forex because of Instagram. I was on Instagram watching some motivation posts. I got into binary option, and I lost a bunch of money, but I got addicted to trading basically. And after that, I discovered Forex trading. So from March 2017 to July 2017, it was grow time. So there's always a point in people's life that you it's the time that you can, like, everything is against you, everything is going wrong, and you feel like the whole world is against you, and you hit the rock bottom. And that happened for us at the start of March. So basically, I was getting paid a little $200 per month by Nicholas to handle Golden Option Instagram account. This is probably where you got to know us, our Instagram account. And I was doing $200 per month for handling the Instagram account. So I had a vision, right? Not enough to live. But in March, I actually asked for $400. So I was now getting paid $400. And we did something like $200 or $250 in sales. So Nicholas said, look, I think this thing is not going to work. Like, I just lost some money, right? It's not working. And I said, no, 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 I got a vision. Trust me. Instagram is a gold mine. Trust me. Okay. We need to let this talent that you have know to the world. And trust me. So he did trust me, and we continue. and it was growth time. From March to July 2017, we actually had a record month in July 2017, and we made $17,000 in 1 month. So we went from losing $200 in March to actually $16,000 plus in June. It was not July, so actually June. So this is when we saw the potential of an online business, which we're going to talk about. Okay, we said we're a financial education company. We are now in 2020, maybe even 2021 when you're going to see this. I don't know, but I know that online businesses and building like actually sources of income is important nowadays, and the internet is part of it. So we're teaching that as well. So Nicholas started teaching at the end of 2016, like I said, and he has been trading at that point on a live account since early 2016. And he learned from a multi-millionaire forex trader. You see the car here, he literally has a Lambo, a McLaren, a Rolls Royce, a Ducati. This is hard to believe, but trust me, he paid $5,000 at that time to learn. He was the first student of that mentor. That mentor has actually made a lot of seminars since then, and it's either $5,000 or $10,000 to join the seminar, but he's not doing them anymore. So it's impossible to learn from him anymore. And some of you might even know what I'm talking about because you know this is real, but it's not available to learn from him anymore. So the only way to learn from him is actually through a student. But the problem is that the seminar that he did and the training that he did, he made his student sign an agreement that they could not teach or reveal what they learned. The only person that has this information is actually Nicholas, because Nicholas was his first student. So at that time, he learned literally. Nicholas' father has a little restaurant, and he still has it to his day. And at that time, Nicholas was working as a waiter in his father's restaurants. And this is actually where he got his teaching, right? Literally at a little table at the restaurants of his father. And at that time, obviously, there were no contract or agreements. So he was able to start improving. So he started with this technique, but since then he obviously improved his own technique. But he's the only one basically that has this information available to teach to the public. So like I said, he started with 700 US dollar. Okay, first thing I want to say is he went on a demo account for about 10 months. So he did blew a lot of account, but on the demo. Okay, and he took 10 months to learn, to try things, and to perfect his trading strategy on the demo account, which many people wouldn't take that much time. And he started with $700 USD on a live account and turned it to $30,000 plus in the first 2 months, 60-day, insane. He then went on at Miami, as you see on this picture, to celebrate that, and he actually withdraw $25,000 to pay for all his expenses, his debt, and everything. Quitted his job, got himself a nice apartment with his newborn baby at that moment and his girl, and he actually left $5,000 in his trading account and decided that he was a full-time trader at that very moment. So exactly like I just said, he became a full-time Forex trader at the end of 2016. Amazing. So he restarted with $5,000 and I've turned it to more than 1.1 million at that moment. So guys, you're probably not going to be able to do something similar to that, but we will show you in this presentation how you can get about the same amount of capital and make enough money, whatever you need, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, even $20,000 per month, to become financially free and live of your own revenue. So being financially free is making enough to never have to go to a job again or worry about where the money is going to come in. And that's what we're going to teach you how to do. We're not telling you that you're going to flip 5,000 to 1 million in 1 or 2 years or 3 years, but we're telling you that there's way that you can like build a track record and get investors money and build 3 highly profitable sources of income. So after 4 years, we discovered that the hard way. And if you've been struggling, this is probably why. Okay, so if you're a Forex trader that has lost money, that has, like I said, like I did, put some $200, $500, $1,000, and you blew it again and again, this is probably why. This is what the 1% know, and the 99% don't know. So if you didn't know that, that's not your fault. The bank wants you to fail. The institution wants you to fail. The other trader wants you to fail, and everybody knows it but you. So at the left, you have a picture of the top 10 currency trader. And the top 10 currency trader in the world are banks. And they actually are representing 67 something percent of the daily volume, just the top 10 bank. So don't worry, this is not your fault. And that stopped today, because you're about to discover the biggest secret hidden in plain sight. The number one thing you need to know that every successful and professional trader know and trade by. And if you don't trade by this strategy, or at least understand it, you're finished. And no, this is not an hack, one little trick, or a cutesy little indicator. So I will show you in this presentation how it goes down. And after I show it to you, you might know even that it believe or it exists, but some people would say like, this is some kind of conspiracy. This doesn't really happen. But yes, it does happen, and it happens almost every single day, and I'm going to prove it to you. So like I said, most people don't notice, but that is not really their fault, because the information is not out there. You have to have a mentor to teach you this stuff. And this is why the 99% of the population of the trader actually doesn't know that. And this is why we learned the hard way. So this is what we've been able to force in the past, like university degree, 80K to learn that stuff and to become a professional trader. Business loan, 180K. Office at $4,000 per month just to be a trader. Employee at 6K per month. So to have a trading office and everything. How many blow account? $5,000 loss. So my upfront costs to bring you what I'm about to bring you today are financial formula. So it's more than $200,000 that it used to cost to being able to have a chance to do this. Like not even being sure that it's going to work. And on top of that, about $10,000 per month to run a official business of having everything that I'm going to show you guys, because we have some support, we have some mentor, we have some trader, we have some analyst, we have some software, we have an office. right? So you need to have all of that to be a professional trader. So grow your wealth, master the money game, and learn how to create 3 income stream in the next 60 days, and copy our formula so you don't have to pay for everything that I just mentioned. We literally made a program, made a system, a formula that is giving you everything that took us 3 years to build, that it cost us $200,000 plus, and about $10,000 per month just to run this. So at the left, you got Nicholas that went on vacation in Miami. He rented a Maserati, beautiful car. And at the right, you got me. After a year or something in this business, I was able to buy my dream car, a beautiful BMW M Performance 340i. And I still have this car to this day. Never been like a really in-depth car guy, but I can tell you that this car go fast. It's fun to drive, and it goes fast. So I'm saving a lot of time. But I'm gonna show you how to grow your wealth, master the money game, and create 3 sources of income live in just the next 30 minutes. So the 3 secret of becoming financially free. Secret number 1, what the big banks don't want you to know. I will teach you how to be on the winner side of the Forex market by following what the smart money does. Secret number 2, I will show you how to create 3 sources of income in 60 days. So Warren Buffett said, if you don't learn how to make money while you're sleeping, you will work until the day you die. And secret number 3, I will show you our Forex trading strategy and our wealth machine. Our Nicholas turned $700 to 1.1 million, got over 1 million of investors' capital, and is making $50,000 plus per month. So secret number 1, what the big banks don't want you to know, and how to be on the winner side of the Forex market by following what the smart money does. So, who control the price? Like I said, 67% plus of the volume is traded by just the 10 biggest bank, not all the bank, just the 10 biggest. So it's really a situation of us versus them. It's the big bank versus us. And there's literally 4 or 5 big banks, call them interbank, that control 50% plus of the volume of the price. So who are they? You got Deutsche Banks, you got Citi, you got JP Morgan Chase, you got HSBC, and you got some China banks. So what they do? So they need liquidity to make the price go up and down. Okay? So they use your money to do it. And I will show you how exactly. And there is an endless supply of money for them in the spot Forex market. So what you want to do is do not be the popular kid, because they're picking on the popular kid, and they will always and always be taking money out of the popular kid. So how they do it? They can see where traders' money is sitting in every single currency. Yeah, it must be nice. So, for example, they can know that on Euro USD, 40% is going long and 60% is going short. But not only that, so they also know where the orders are. So they can not only see the present, but they can see the future. the trader on the most popular side get their money taken, and the trader on the other side wins. Well, actually, some of them, because bad money management still make you lose money, and they know that, and they take advantage of that. So they will take all of the money who went long and some of the money who went short. It is good to be king. So let me show you a real world example of the three market phases and how they actually manipulate the price. Okay, so at the we got a market sell off at the left. So now the asset is undervalued. So the broker sales team recommend stop level based on their client appetite for risk and reward. So this result in a huge cloud of sales order. So it can be like broker, you see a lot of broker like sending a bunch of trading signals, or you see a lot of signals provider as well that send like a bunch of scalping signals because they're being paid by the broker to bring people into their brokerage, and basically the more they make people trade, the more commission they're gonna make. So this is what the broker sales team is. Okay, and then the analytics instruct broker sales team to push their client to start buying this undervalued asset in expectation of the next rise in the actual market. So accumulation began, right? So now we got client buyer number one, like he's buying and he got a conservative stop loss. And then we got client buyer number two that is buying with an average stop loss. And then we got client number three that has a high risk stop loss. Then, because the sales team has told the team to buy, so the price start going up. So strong holder, like the big holder, the bank, they manipulate the market to deceive the retail trader, and then the price, then they sell all their position, right? So then the price just shut down. The price just fell off, and then everybody get their stop level taken. And because the banks know that, guess what they do? They buy at the bottom. After all the order, the stop loss and everything has been taken. So now they buy at the very bottom, and guess what happened? The price start going back up, and the same thing happen again and again. People get pushed into that, and boom, it fuels the price to go up. And then the real trader, the market maker, the banks, the sharks, and the few people, the 1 to 5% that is following the smart money, makes money. So if you don't believe me, if you don't think that this is true and that is happening, this is the USD Swiss. Okay, so this is the USD Swizzy, so USD Swiss franc, and this is in end of 2015, actually start of 2015, and this is actually when the biggest market manipulation happened. Okay, so what happened that day is that there was actually a banks, like the banks and the government was actually like saying that there was a price and it would never ever go under this price. So what happened, like obviously, like a bunch of people, like they were so sure about what would happen that they took a bunch of position right at that point, buy position without any stop loss. So the day that the price actually fell through that price, like it, that they caused so much damage that many trader went negative, and they actually own money. They own money in their trading account because some of them didn't have stop loss, or some of them had stop loss, but the price fell off so quick that the banks were not, the broker were not able to trigger the stop loss. So like the stop loss never got triggered. So people account went in negative. Like because of that, broker went bankrupt. A lot of broker went literally bankrupt, and obviously some people lost their fund. For the few that actually made money, because the broker went bankrupt, they lost their fund too. And huge broker like FXCM, which was one of the biggest broker in the US at that time, had to sell. So they had to be bailed out basically. And many broker had to stop accepting USA client just because of that. Like this is how much damage that it took. So let me show you the step to get started. So first of all, you gotta find a mentor, right? Second, you gotta stop being a popular kid. Do not hang with the other popular kid. Do not use the same tool as everyone else. You see people all the time talking about their EMA, their moving average, their statistic, their MACD. Like, don't do that. Do not trade US pair, or not often. Why? Because the banks love to manipulate the US pair. This is where there's the most value. So they don't even bother like going into pair, like not exotic pair, but pair like GBP GPY, GBP NZD, GBP odd, Aussie NZD. Like they don't really go into those pair because they can make enough money just in the US pair. So this is why our favorite pair at Golden Option Trading is JBP GPY. But we show you how to trade any kind of pair, and even metal like gold and crypto and whatever you want to trade. And we don't only trade JBP GPY, but it's our favorite pair. So number 3, you need to seek out an alternative, a new way to trade. So if what you've been doing in the past is not working, don't try another strategy with the same kind of indicator, same kind of stuff. Don't learn the same way. You need to seek out a new way. So I want to show you the biggest trade that Nicholas took. You can see this is on a live account, and that trade was actually 72,000 US dollar, as you can see. So this is completely insane, but obviously we're not telling you that you're gonna do 70,000 to $72,000 in a day or in a trade. That is a few days. But this is the kind of result that can happen with time. Step number 4, it's money management and have a plan. Okay, so you can see here over $1 million in actual profit and withdrawal in 2019. So my total investment to learn all of this cost me $51,217. Here's some success story of some people just like you that have paid a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of that to actually learn.
Hello, guys. I would like to share my experience with golden option trading and their signals, and I have been using them recently. And honestly, I find it really great. You know, I'm a trader. I have been trading for almost 3 years. I'm a profitable trader, so I trade for myself. But I'm using like golden option trading as sort of like a safety net, because you know I'm just a human. I can have a bad day, and when I have a bad day, it's not a good idea to trade myself. So that's why I got the signals. You know, so that I have some sort of like a backup plan or just like some backup strategy that works, and it's not dependent on my mindset, on my psychology. All I have to do is just follow the simple rules and execute the trades, and that's it. So that's pretty much amazing, because it just helps me stay profitable and keep making money, even though when I couldn't normally because of my personal life. So yeah, I highly recommend it if you can follow the rules. If you can follow the rules and if you can stay disciplined, then I really recommend it. And that's all. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so that is super nice. We'll listen to another one of Jade, actually in Miami with Nicholas. And a little disclaimer, they are both French. So they got a little accent, you will see, but this is pretty amazing. This is a video in Miami when Nicholas went there on a trip for a week, rented a Maserati, and he meet up with Jade, and Jade was talking about his result with the signals at that moment, and the trade he was able to take, learning what he learned.
What's up, guys? Currently at Miami with one of my affiliates. He's following my signals and he bought me a Bel Air champagne to recognize me. So, bro, what's your profit?
Hey, look at that. We had this week GBP, GPY, and Euro USD. I don't know if you can see it. With GBP, GPY, only with 2 trades, I've been able to make 2,500, knowing that I even closed it earlier, which was unfortunate. And I made 300 with the little scalp of Euro USD. You gotta follow the trades. It's crazy.
Tell me your story, bro. Where you come from?
I come from France.
Okay.
I heard from you on Instagram, and I gotta say I didn't believe it at first. Then I said, all right, I gotta step up my game. I entered Golden Option, and it was the best choice I made in my life. I promise you, it works. All right, it's crazy.
So now you live at Miami.
Yes.
And you are able to. You have been able to.
Yeah, I've been able to open a business here in Miami.
Whoa.
I've been able to live in Aventura, one of the nicest place in Miami, with a pretty big apartment. If later you want, we can show how my life changed. I have a lot of story to tell you. I had a life with like a fucking shark. So
he's got a great success with us, guys. So you can do too, guys.
So pretty amazing. So I'll just do 2 other quick testimonials so you really see like people from other places of the world. We got Carlos here, and then after that we got Ricardo in Portugal, and you will see that Ricardo is actually never made a testimonial. He doesn't really trust a company like that, and doesn't like to do that, but he had such an amazing result with it that he just felt like he needed to do this testimonial, and that's pretty amazing.
Guys, it's Ricardo from Portugal. Normally I don't do videos of review, okay, because I really don't have time. I don't like to do them, and sometimes the products are not really good. Okay, this is my first video, so bear with me. Okay, just want to tell that the signs of these guys are really good. Okay, I'm testing for about 1 week, all going good. Okay, with my time I closed the trades. Okay, the support is also very good. Okay, and I think I'm gonna follow them for a long time and do the training that they have and try to be more professional on the trade market. Okay, guys, have a good day and good trading for. Bye.
Pretty amazing. Now, Carlos.
I just wanted to share my experience with Golden Option. It's been a couple of weeks since I joined, and just today I made over $400, which covered my monthly fee. So I'm definitely gonna keep investing with them. They've been the best I found so far. I've lost some money with a couple of other guys selling similar alerts, but this one are certainly on point. So thumbs up for them. Let's keep making some more money.
Amazing. So I think you get the point. So this works for, so it's working for people that are just getting started: beginner trader, intermediate trader, advanced and expert trader, day trader and swing trader, cryptocurrencies, commodities. So if you're trading oil, gold, silver, for entrepreneur that want to get into trading, for students, for investors, for digital nomad mom and dad, we're for all types of person that want to start an online business or make an extra sources of income. So it worked. Yes, you can be in the 1% that is actually pulling out money of the Forex market and not just talking about it. Like you see a lot of people on social media. So this is me at the left with my BMW M Performance. Really love this car. At the right, this is Nicholas with his Porsche Panamera. So these are our car. So we enjoy living the, it's all about the lifestyle. We enjoy those little luxury things, but it's really more about being able to wake up in the morning and do what we want to do. So you see my FX boot monthly gain. So this is a strategy that can bring high revenue: 41.25%, 37.95%, 37.59%, 3 months in a row. Not just a day, not just a week, not just a month. So it's not about the money, it's about the freedom. We've been able to travel in some luxurious hotel from all over the world, a bunch of places: Miami, Switzerland, Toronto, Montreal, Asia, and it's been a blessing. France, and really, it's just about that. It's about making sometimes $1,000, $2,000 per day just trading or with my online business, and it's living comfortable, right? And then after that, things got serious. So recently, we got an office, we got some analysts, a technical analyst, a fundamental analyst, we got another trader, trading capital, and Nicholas, you can see with his $524,000 trading account, is now trading investors capital. So we got two trader trading more than $1 million at the moment. We got an office in Montreal, Canada, and we basically are there every single day. We trading investors capital and sending Forex signals to our member. So once you're a member of our program, not only learn how to trade, you not only learn how to get investors capital, we're going to talk about that soon, and you not only learn those two things, but you also learn how to build online business, and you also get some profitable trading signals if you want to take our trading signals and the same trade that we take. And you can be comfortable that they are a good trade because we're trading them on $1 million plus. So last time we count, we got people in 58 plus country, but I think now it's more than 80 country, and we got 4,400 plus member from all over the world. As you can see, we got photos of seminar in Montreal, Canada at Hotel Montville. We got a seminar in Hotel Ville-Marie. We got me trading with a beautiful Airbnb on the 52th floor with view on the CN Tower in Toronto. Completely amazing. I'm a Toronto Raptors fan. I go to Toronto 2 times per year to watch the Toronto Raptors play. Got our office at the bottom. We got some beautiful Canva, and we got some very cool profit: $37,000 in a week, a little withdrawal of $9,648. That's pretty amazing. So trading and traveling, it's really what we like to do, but we also like to teach a lot. So we had our time living the life, but now it's really about, like, we want to share to the world. We want to make a difference in the world. We want to make an impact. And that's why the step number one is you need a mentor. So let's recap them real quick. Step number one, you need a mentor. And we would like to be your mentor at Golden Option. So, secret number one was what the big banks don't want you to know, and how to be on the winner side of the Forex market by following what the smart money does. Secret number two, how to create 3 sources of income in 60 days. So, Warren Buffett said if you don't learn how to make money while you're sleeping, you will work until the day you die. So, while I told you that it will take probably up to 12 months to really become financially free, which is like super fast if you look at all your lifetime, it will actually only take less than 60 days to create the 3 sources of income that will get you financially free. So you will start seeing some result, and you will put something in places in the next 60 days by following our program. So I talk about Rich Dad Poor Dad, how it changed my life. So there's a concept in that book that Robert Kiyosaki is teaching more in another book that is called the cash flow quadrant. But this is the cash flow quadrant here. So basically, there's 4 types of people when it comes to finance, right? There's the employee, okay? And on the left side, basically the left side, the employee and the self-employed, it's 95% of the population. And the right side, it's 5% of the population. So you're trying to get to the right side, basically. So you started as an employee, you have a job, and then you are a self-employed, and I've been through that a lot. So you own a job. Basically, you don't have system, you don't have business, you don't have people working for you. You're a self-employed. It can be a real estate agent, it can be starting your own little business, trader and everything. But you're trying to get to the point where you're only managing like just a little bit of pieces here and there because you have system and people working for you. And that's when you get on in the 5%. That's when you become a business owner. So you own a system that works for you. And then the last part is when you are an investor, when you literally have your money working for you. You just put your money in the stock market or in real estates or whatever in Forex trading, and your money is working for you. You don't even trade on a daily basis, right? It's just long-term investment. So this over here, this is the past 30 days, or actually 30 days that we did in December 2019 in our business, $44,698. So this is just to show you that we actually talk the talk and walk the walk, and we actually we don't just talk the talk and we walk the walk. I mean, and we actually like have a business that is pulling out a lot of money, and it's working. So you will be able to like model that, and you can see like in a day we had a lot of payment. Like these are regular days, so you can see in one day we can make like $2,000, make like 3-4 sales at $497. So I was pushing shakes for a living. I sold to my mom, my aunt, anybody. Lol. So we're gonna get a little bit more into my story. So these photo have been taken in this little tiny apartment that I talk about. And at that time, you see, I was proud. Like I was like doing what I had to do. Like I was telling my friend to join me. I was like buying some flyers. As you can see, I was wearing the badge, I was consuming the product, I was doing an in-house presentation. Like I was really doing it, but it wasn't working. And that's when I figure step number one, I need mobile income. So I saw all these people starting, running, handling, growing their business from Instagram, from their cell phone. And that's when I made the switch. Okay, I already talked about that. That's when I told Nicholas we need to use Instagram and internet to build this business. So that's the first step. You want to have mobile income. So with trading and with building a online income, an online business, this is mobile income. You can basically run your business just from your laptop or your cell phone. Second, you want to have a digital product. service. So you do not want to be the one in one-on-one person always teaching, always taking your time, or you don't want to have to move to somewhere all the time. So you want something that is digital, either a product or a service. So back in 2017, I had my first digital product, Instagram Mastery for Business, 7 Steps to Master Instagram, in 2017. This ebook is not available anymore, but this is just to, and I'm not trying to sell it. It was free at that time, but I sold it a little bit actually at that time. And the best feeling in the world, I will always remember that and still remember that like it was yesterday, is when you get a payment notification, is when you get a email. You wake up in the morning, you look at your email, or you're just doing your daily routine and you get a notification that says you got money. Someone just pay you. Even if it's a commission or a product that you created, it's the best feeling in the world. And this is the definition that Warren Buffett was talking about, making money while you sleep. If you have system, if you have online digital products, services, if you have content online, if you have automation that is selling for you on and on and on and on again, the same product, you don't have to do it again because this is digital. This is the true passive income and laptop lifestyle, and that's what you want to be building. So the step number 3 is actually a converting offer. So a lot of people understand step number 1, step number 2 nowadays. It's pretty much no, but the problem is that now the market are like full of people, right? It's a red ocean. There's a lot of people everywhere. So it's getting harder and harder to basically build a business or have a converting offer that you're getting enough people to buy so you can actually make money. And also, to build a business, to run a business, you need money. You need money for support, you need a team, you need software, you need to pay for marketing, for advertising. So we pay all of that for you, and we did all the tests for you, so you don't have to worry about anything else. And we have hundreds of clients from all over the world, so you know that it's a converting offer. So just model what we do. Instead of losing a bunch of money like so many people try to do. And step 4 is to scale up and optimize. So there's a photo of the 2 Club there. This is what I'm super proud of being. And the 2 Club represents someone that has made over $1 million online. And when you get into the Club, you have this beautiful trophy that represents that you made more than $1 million online. So you can be sure that you will have a converting offer with us. So what we used to have to do, we had to have a website designer, a coder. We used to sell door to door. It used to take 90 days just to get the page, the website back and everything. We used to have to get a $500,000 loan and wait 5 years just to pay back the debt. And then that's where most of entrepreneurial dreams would die. But it doesn't have to be like this anymore. Now, you are not gonna make $1 million today. But what if you could make an extra $500 per month? What if it could cover all your bills? What if it could cover all your expenses? And what if you could pay off all your debt and make enough to quit your job and work from anywhere in the world in 12 months or less? Well, there's a new way, a better way, and it's called the lifetime Forex signals with all our digital program. This is the up-level trading program here. This is the 6-figure online program. In the up-level trading program, we're going to teach you all our trading strategy from A to Z. How Nicholas got $700 and turn it to $1.1 million, and I was able to get more than $1 million of capital, of investor capital after that. We're gonna teach you a wealth building machine. So you're gonna learn all the strategy to master the money game and also create 3 sources of income in the next 60 days. And I will teach you, this is a program that I made. We're giving you that as well. And don't worry, we're giving you a bunch of other things. Stay tuned until the end because this is just the beginning. We want to make sure that you got everything you need to be successful. So this is a program that is sold at actually $9.97 itself, and you will get that as well for free in this offer. And this is the 6-figure online program. So it's teaching you to build your online business to $10,000 per month just with this program. I'm giving you everything you need to know to grow on Instagram, YouTube, grow with pay advertising, build everything you need, all the automation, the web page you need online. So now we're gonna listen to a testimonials from Dave, which is actually Forex is paying for everything: his rent, his food, his credit card, and his bill. So let's listen to that.
I've been searching for a lot of traders. I've been interested in Forex trading for a while, and I didn't know who to trust. And I've heard of this guy, Golden Option, maybe Nick FX10, if you follow him on IG. And I asked him, I wanted the course, and he offered me a course. So I did the course with him, and now in the past year and a half, I've been able to be consistent with profits. Not having, 500K account, some $2 million account. It's not about it. It's about to be able to have another source of income. So a source of income that's paying for my credit cards, for my mortgage, for my rent, for anything that I have to pay. So my cars and everything. So I can pay for everything and provide for myself while having this as a second source of income. So that's been, I recommend Golden Option forever. They're skilled, they don't let you down, they have their support for you. So any question that you have, and even after the course, I've been mainly after the course having some questions, because once you learn the stuff, once you apply it, you want to have some hands-on, like, hey, do I do it right? And he does. He's just like, he asked me to send him some screenshots of my analysis, and I do, and he answers. He just tells me what's wrong, what's right, what I should do, and how can I enroll more of my money into the risk-reward ratio and the good profits that you can make on Forex markets. So I recommend Golden Option for sure. So just go check them out, ask them for a course and see what they can do for you, and I promise you, you won't regret it.
So, isn't crazy? So, if I would ask anyone, if you work for 1 year for 80 hours per week for free, and you're going to be financially free for the rest of your life, I want you to ask this question. Everyone would say yes. Would you say yes? Obviously, yes, I would do it. That's what you would say. Well, then just do it, because that's what we're bringing to you. So this is Sunday, January 5, 2020. I made $2,485 with my online business, and this is the kind of money that you can do when you build an online business. So who here thinks the up level trading program is freaking awesome? And the secret number 2, how to create 3 sources of income in 60 days. So I know I cannot see you, but if you think this is awesome, just raise your hand in the air. My bad. Just heard my microphone, so my bad. And just raise your hand in the air. I got excited here. So we'll get into the third secret, which is our Forex trading strategy and wealth machine. So Al Nicholas turned $700 to 1.1 million USD, got over $1 million of investors' capital, and is making $50,000 per month with his trading and his business. So a lot of people will tell you, that making money online, you were told it's like this, just a straight line. But the reality is more like the right, sorry. So like I said, Nicholas started practicing for 10 months on a demo account and blow so many accounts. And this is the street where he got his father restaurants, and it says, never forget where you come from. 3 years back, I was working as a waiter at my father restaurants on the street. It's here that everything started, where I discovered the Forex market and met my mentor. 1 year after I quitted my waiter job, I was able to bring a brand new BMW in front of that restaurant. Look at me in 5 years. This was actually 2 years ago. So he said, look at me in 5 years. 2 years later, things are going pretty well. And that's why I want to bring you and I want you to be part of the team. Okay, we've been able to travel to Toronto, Miami, a bunch of places, like we said, and we've been teaching now to a bunch of people. We got people in 80 plus country, and our mission is just to help as much people as possible to become financially free. Not millionaire, not rich, but financially free. So on a daily basis, this is what we do. Okay, we teach people, we analyze the market, we teach again, we trade, and then we go out with the crew. The photo that you see here, it's actually some investors. Okay, they actually gave us their car for a day or two to just have some fun. And this is the type of people that you're going to be able to hang with when you start having an abundance mindset, when you start showing to people that you can make 5%, 10% per month with your capital. Okay, and this is how we were able to get investors money, and then after that being able to hang with these kind of people and literally have them like renting, not renting because we didn't pay for it, but giving up their car for a few days so we can have that. So step one, don't be part of the 90-90-90 rule. If you don't know what this is, 90% of all traders lose 90% of their capital in their first 90 days. So Warren Buffett, his number one rules, it's never lose money. And his rule number two is never forget rule number one. So obviously in the Forex market, there's always up and down. You cannot have a perfect strategy. You will lose some trade. But in general, don't start by losing money. Okay? And step number two, don't have a big ego. So if you already have been losing money, now you need to don't tell yourself like, oh, I'm gonna learn by myself. Oh, I'm gonna learn everything. Oh, they're just there to scam me and take my money. Don't be like everything is free on YouTube attitude. What you need to do is step number three is find the pioneer with the arrows in the back and model him. Damn. You don't want to try to be the pioneer. You don't want to have all the arrows in the back. There's already people that have tried everything, that have put the 10,000 hour. They say it takes 10,000 hour to become an expert. There's people that have put the 10,000 hour. There's people that has the arrow in the back. There's people that had lost the money, that had invested the money, that had did all the testing. Just model them. That's what smart people does. Okay, so it takes 10,000 hours plus to be an expert, and money is a tool. So just use that tool to gain the knowledge and skip the 10,000 hours. It's that simple. Repetition is the mother of mastery. Look like I forgot to put a photo there, but repetition is the mother of mastery, guys. So once you have a proven system, you can focus 100% of your time on and your effort in practicing and mastering instead of wondering. Are you tired of wondering, like, is this the right strategy? Should I follow this dude? Should I do this? Should I use this indicator? How should I handle my trade? Should I use this strategy? Is this guy a scam? Is this broker is working? Like, are you tired of that? Would you like to just have the right knowledge, 100% sure, the right information, and just put all your time and effort in practicing and mastering? Don't you think it would bring you result? Imagine if you had no job, no alarm clock, and no boss, nothing to do in the morning but focus on yourself. Okay, so that's why we got the Forex master plan. The Forex master plan is literally a module inside the up-level trading program where we're showing you how to start with a small trading capital, okay, and flip it to, not flip it, actually not flip it like so many people try to do and blow their account and then say, oh, it's not working. We're teaching you to trade your small trading account, $500, $1,000, even $2,000 or $200, and grow it with our strategy and our Forex signals. And this way you can make 5%, 10% per month. At the end of the year, that won't be like crazy grow. Like you will not have turned your $500 into $500,000. But what you would have done is build a track record, a very solid track record. And there's investor in this world. I told you there's a lot of money. There's a lot of people that are making at the moment 10% with their money per year. So if you can make them 10% per month or even 5% per month, they will be more than happy. And they will be more than happy to actually give you $100,000 to try it, because there's a lot of people that has million invested, okay? And they will be willing, if you can prove them with a track record and everything, they will be willing to give you $100,000. And if you do well with that $100,000, which you will do because you have the right knowledge and you're not stressed about money, then you can unlock 500K, $1 million from one single investor. We know it. It happened for us. It can happen for you. So this is all in the up-level trading program. And I want to show you a few testimonial from people. So Diamond Lane over here said, Golden Option became my family. A little under a year ago, they are always willing to help, and I thank them for everything. Nick is awesome too. I message him for an in-person training. Hope he can get back to me soon. I love Golden Option. Say, people love our services, guy. That's right, bro. From One Control. Thanks to you guys, I'm in the 5% making profit in the Forex market. We got Swamp Boys 904. Your GBP GPY signals be on point. I appreciate you. People are making money. Tony got passion. Yep, it's the best VIP Telegram so far. For the price, it's really worth it. I tried 3-4 different Telegram group, and those guys are the best. They're really nice people too. Hello, Joe. We have heard about, okay, so this is, there's no name on this one because this is from literally another Forex signals provider with a lot of customer, and they literally reach out to us and say, hello, Joe, we have heard about your performance and are very interested. We market trading signal in Germany, Austria, Switzerland. Currently, we are looking for a new cooperation partner for a customer. What possibility do you see? So basically, guys, we have like big signals provider, like big Forex signals provider, and smaller one, like literally like have partnership with us, like taking our signals. So we don't name all of them because we don't, it's out of respect for them, but we have a lot of people. We're the number one Forex signals provider in the world, like we said. So other people that are loving our services. My boy here said, as you guys said, quality over quantity, 100,000% wise gold world. All trade I took with this new real account using the strategy and signals. I'm not always on, so signals are excellent when I'm not in front of the chart. Account 50% up using proper risk management. Proper risk management and calculated lot size. Isn't that amazing, guys? Seriously, Forex has changed my life. Once again, thank you so much, very much. Go VIP. Hello, Mr. Joe from Ronnie Cooper. You guys, life, you changed life, guys. Keep helping out. Go team. Hello, Joe. Due to your support, my business startup is successful. My company got a big profit from Forex last week, and now my company is growing very well. All credit goes to Go VIP. They're one of our clients. Made some money with Forex, took out that money, started a business. Now his business is successful, and his Forex trading is successful. Next thing is to get investors' capital. So I really like your service, guys. First time I didn't believe it. After I tried your pips in my demo account, I never got a single loss. All goes well. Now I'm gonna try in real account. So guys, making big profit used to be hard, not anymore. So we got like FX Lifestyle Miracle, one of our clients, $100 one day, like happy Ramadan. Then we got like people like JBP GPY, like making $2,070 in a day. We got $998.51 in a day. We got next with his girlfriend, $90 profit with Forex in 1 hour. I'm more confident every day. Just keep learning wherever you can. Like, thanks for the course, Joe. So, like, you see over here, like a bunch of profit on GBP, GPY, Euro, USD. You see Euro odd, $1,016 day. After that, we got bigger account, like $14,000, $817. This is our account. We got a big trade, $48,000. Like, you see what it's written? GBP GPY, I'm holding my trade from 148 level for 450 pip. 450 pip, guys. Like, most people think like a 45 pips trade is big. So we're showing you how to have patience, how to really take the big swing trade. So to recap the 3 secrets of becoming financially free that we just covered. Secret number 1, what the big banks don't want you to know, how to be on the winner side of the Forex market by following what the smart money does. Secret number 2, how to create 3 sources of income in 60 days. Warren Buffett said, if you don't learn how to make money while you're sleeping, it will work until the day you die. And secret number 3, our Forex trading strategy and wealth machine. How Nicholas turned $700 to $1.1 million, got over 1 million investor capital, and is making $50,000 plus with his business and trading. So if I follow a mentor and a proven system, then I will win. I want you to repeat that. If I follow a mentor and a proven system, then I will win. So let me ask you a question. Okay, right now you're probably feeling just like that. We've been on for like an hour or so. You probably feeling like you got a hose in your mouth. You got a lot of good information, but I don't want you to feel like you're overwhelmed or nothing, and I want you to leave you with anything. I want to make sure you got everything to be successful. So let me ask you a question. Is it okay if I take 15 minutes after teaching you all of that? Is it okay if I take 15 minutes of your time to present to you an offer that we made specially for you? And if you like that, then you get started. So let me present to you the lifetime VIP Forex signals plus all our digital programs. So far we talk about the up level trading program, we talk about our lifetime VIP Forex signals, we talk about our make 6-figure online program. That's cool. That's a lot of good stuff. You're gonna get all of that, but we got way more. So is it okay if I take 15 minutes? I know I cannot see your answer, but I'll take it as a yes. So what you're gonna get when you're gonna join us today with the lifetime VIP Forex signals and all our digital program 90% off a bundle. So you're gonna get the up level trading program. So first of all, the up level trading program is gonna teach you our Forex strategy from A to Z. We also have our wealth building machine training in there, so you will learn exactly how to copy our business, model our business, so you can start building your own online business that will eventually make 10K per month. And you also have the Forex trading master plan. So you will learn exactly how to get investors capital. So even if you have a small trading account at the moment, $200, $500, it's okay. You don't need a big capital to get started with this. So this is not just a trading program, guys. This is a financial education program. So first of all, what you're gonna get is the lifetime VIP Forex signals, plus the up-level trading program, and the Make Six Figure online program that we talk about. So just with those three programming, that is not it, guys. Just with those three programs, you got everything you need to always have profitable trading signals, to learn our Forex strategy and be able to be a consistent and profitable trader on your own. And you have all the information you need to model a business and grow it to $10,000 per month for yourself. So let's see a few testimonials of actual real testimonial that you can find on Google. Okay, so I recently joined, and the first week has already covered the cost of the subscription plus more. If you're struggling in Forex or want to pursue financial freedom, take action and take it with Go. Great company and amazing support. I couldn't have made a better decision in my entire life. Money you can make back if you lose, but an opportunity, you can never make that back. Join now to change your life. And guys, this is real. This is real. We didn't ask to do that, and we didn't pay to do that. This is real. I want you to understand what we just said. Money, you can make it back if you lose, but an opportunity, you can never make that back. Join now to change your life. So LT, this is too great. I've been trying to get this for some time now. I'm excited to be part of this group. I can't wait for the awesome result and the opportunity in learning what they do best, because I have faith in them and they won't let us fail. I've never had any problem with golden option reporting. Every time I have a question, I love the video they create. They definitely are outspoken, and Joe has a great sense of humor. That's me. It's fun to sit back and watch what life has in store for them on a daily, let alone the future. I hope to be in the same position one day, living life on my own turn. Love you guys. Keep doing a great job, and can't wait to see you on the other side and see what else you have to offer in the long term. Love it, LT. If you're watching this, love it. I consider myself fortunate to have found a Telegram group as valuable as this one, not only because of the high percentage of success they have in their trade. In 2 weeks, I have in this group all trade I've been closing green. But what I appreciate the most is that he keeps us busy all the time while operation is open. 5 on 5 recommended, Jose. So what he's talking about is that we're literally like giving you vlog, blog article, blog video, like more training video, like we're doing Instagram live Q&A. We're always there with our student, like just entertaining or just teaching. And Sean, I started with golden option a month ago. The result, the help they provide, and the education is exceptional. I have turned 300 pounds into 5,500 pounds in a month. This is insane. If you are waiting to make an extra solid and encountering golden option, they are very quick to reply to any question you have. They also have many other services in which you can make extra money by working alongside them, being an affiliate, where you can build them a recurring income. This service is included with the VIP group. The group is very affordable and worth it. In my opinion, the money I spent for the service, I earned 100x more money. Join now. Amazing. So guy, again, this is for complete beginner, new trader, seasoned trader, college or uni student, employee, retiree, digital nomad, entrepreneur, stay at home mom and dad. So don't have a broker yet, don't worry. So if you are not trading Forex yet, if you didn't trade yet and you don't have a broker, don't worry. We will recommend you a broker if you want to get started either on a demo account or live, so you can actually invest in the program, start learning, and even if you don't have the capital to trade live, you can start learning on a demo account. And we will also give you a free introduction course so you get set up properly with the broker and all the trading platforms, so don't worry about that. So what you're gonna get, you're gonna get the lifetime VIP Forex signals. That is a $997 value. We sold it at that price like clockwork. A bunch of people bought it and still buy it at that price. And what our member get, you get the lifetime VIP Forex signals, you get all our digital program, you get weekly technical analysis video, you get introduction course, you get team of fundamental and technical analysts, full-time Forex trader, professional trader. You get the office that we pay to have them in there. You don't have to pay that. You get 24/7 support with our support team and our certified mentor. You get access to our affiliate program and more. And guys, wait for it. This is just like with the actual lifetime VIP Forex signals. I got a bunch of other things that I have to make sure that you're going to be successful. So just with that, you're going to be able to get rid of other Forex signals provider, YouTube University, any monthly subscription that you have, any email list that you have, weekly webinar with other guru, free training, watching the news, social media guru, your job, your boss, your trading robot, other teacher, and so much more. So imagine never ever wondering again where you get profitable trading signals and who you can trust to learn from. Imagine how much time, money, and energy you are saving. Yeah, that's right. That is very cool. So what you're going to get, you're going to get the lifetime VIP Forex signals. That is a $997 value. You're going to get the up-level trading program. That is a $4,997 value as well. So don't worry. Like, we don't give you fish. We teach you how to fish. And at the same time, we're feeding you in the process with high quality fish. How about that? So the next thing you need is the Forex master plan. So you're gonna get the Forex master plan, where we're gonna teach you how to start with a small trading capital, $200, $500, $1,000, and how to become a full-time Forex trader, get 50K to 250K of investors capital, live of it in 12 months or less, even if you have a small trading capital. Everything inside the up-level trading program, okay? Week 1, it's about starting your own wildly profitable trading business. So we're giving you all the basics, all the knowledge that you need. Week 2, it's wizard of chart and fundamental analysis. So you're going to become a pro of the chart and fundamental analysis. Week 3, we're teaching you the secret to achieve financial freedom. So it's literally a financial education program. It's not just about trading. You're going to learn some things in there that you cannot learn that anywhere else. I didn't see anywhere else on the internet teaching you that for free, at least, and I didn't see other program yet as well. Week number 4, you're going to learn the wealth machine. So how to put all of that together so it makes sense and you live the true wealthy life. Week number 5, you're going to learn about Fibonacci secret and mastering the chart. So after week number 5, you're going to be like, you're going to have our whole strategy, you're going to be a professional trader. And week number 6, you're going to need to learn about goal setting and journaling. So this is really going to complete your trading journey, so you're really going to be a master of trading. You're not just going to have the strategy, you're actually going to have all the tools and everything that you need, the knowledge to be a professional trader, act like a professional trader. Week number 7, it's about the affiliate marketing program. So we're going to show you exactly how to use the affiliate program so you can build your own online business and quit your job eventually to be able just to live off that. And all of that, it's actually sold at $1,997 on a daily basis, but the real value is actually $4,997 because it is worth that. And more like the Forex master, more things like the Forex master plan and our 10 Forex trading rules that you're gonna find inside this program. So what you're gonna get so far: the lifetime VIP Forex signals, $997 value. The up level trading program it should be $4,997 value. The Forex master plan, $1,997 value. The next thing you need is our trading accelerator program. So far you basically got everything that we talk about so far. You basically got everything you need to master Forex, the money game, and create your own online business. But just to make sure that you're gonna succeed, we have our trading accelerator program. So what is the trading accelerator? Okay, the trading accelerator program is a 4-week live webinar recording. So there's 4 live webinar recorded. Of every webinar is about 2.5 hours, 3 hours, and it's our whole strategy taught live on a webinar with a certified golden option mentor with some student. So if you're the kind of people that more like to learn from mentor live by coaching live instead of an online course, and like you will be able to also see all the questions that our student have asked live, well, this is another format for you to learn. So what you're gonna get the lifetime VIP Forex signals. You're gonna get the up level trading program at $4,997. You're gonna get the Forex master plan at $1,997, and you're gonna get the trading accelerator program at $997. And so far, that is a value of $8,988. And the last thing that you need is actually our library of technical analysis video. Every single week, we have a mentor that is recording a technical analysis review video, a recap video of every single trade that we took in the VIP Forex signals. And you get all these video for lifetime. So every single week, you're going to get a new technical analysis video plus the past 52 from past year. You're also going to get all our live trading session and Q&A live. So we got some live trading session recorded, and we got some Q&A recorded, and the one that are going to be live in the future. You're going to get access to all of that in the member area, so you can watch it anytime. You're also going to get access to a bunch of other bonus video, some interview, and some extra material like downloadable workbook, cheat sheet, tools, PDF. So why it's so fast or easy to have result with us compared to other places is because you got everything you need. You got people here that you see their account were going like just up and down regular, and when they started trading with us, you can see a beautiful uptrend. Same thing, second image at the bottom, lost a little bit of money and then started trading with us, beautiful uptrend. You can see again, same picture, like 2200% profit, beautiful uptrend, like no really downtrend. And over here, same thing. So this is like exactly what you're gonna get. So at the start, this is what your trading journal is gonna look. Not very good. This is when you don't trade with us. And soon as you start trading with us, it's uptrend in your MyFX book. So proof case study, you can see here we did 40% in January, 37.95% in February, and 37.59% in March. So this is like the trading capital that we trade, guys. So this is amazing. We got people from all over the world, like Flynn over here, 9-to-5 job don't get you this freedom. He bought himself a Dom Perignon Vintage 2003 bottle just to celebrate. So what you're gonna get? You're gonna get the lifetime VIP Forex signals at a $997 value. You're gonna get the up level trading program at a $4,997 value. You're going to get the Forex master plan at $1,997 value. You're going to get the trading accelerator program at $997 value. And you're going to get 52 plus technical analysis video, live trading session, and recorded Q&A at $997 value for a total value of $9,985. And let me ask you, if all this did was finally get you to quit your job and work from home or anywhere, would it be worth it? Like, would it be worth 9,000 something dollar? If all this did was help you make an extra $1,000 to $2,000 per month, will it be worth it? Of course. So if all this did was give you the time freedom to never ever have to worry about paying your bills or even help your loved one do it, would it be worth $9,985? Of course, but like, you're not gonna pay that today. So we had two choices. We had to go cheap as possible. That was the first option, and try to sell as many as possible, but it wouldn't incentivize me to really stack the value. And the second option that we had require a little higher investment on your part, but in exchange, I can devote more time and more guarantee your success. So I hope you understand why we went with the second choice. So let me ask you a question, like, what being a profitable trader and be financially free forever is worth to you? So if you're gonna make, for example, I don't know, let's say you need $5,000 per month to be financially free. That's $60,000 per year. Let's say you're gonna live another, I don't know, hopefully at least 40 years. That is more than $2.4 million of value, right? So being a profitable trader and becoming financially free forever, can we agree that is worth $2.4 million for you? Now, if you only need $2,000 per month, well, for you, it might be worth, I don't know, $800,000, something like that, right? But if you're going to make $10,000, $20,000 per month for the rest of your life, this thing is worth, I don't know, 5 million, 10 million. Now, obviously, you're not going to pay that, but I want you to really, like, how much would you pay right now if you had the money to be a profitable trader for the rest of your life and be financially free forever? So how much this one successful trading strategy is worth to you? 5K a month, 10K a month? Like, how much would you pay to get? So it cost us more than $50,000 in mentoring, training, and blow account and more just to learn all of that. And it's making us $1,000 to $2,000 a day. So would you pay $50,000 plus to be able to make $1,000 to $2,000 a day? Of course, you would have paid back in a month or two, but you're not going to have to pay $50,000 today. And again, you had some result of some student are killing it. They received a call and advice, $1,000 plus in 48 hours, respecting the market and the risk management. Another someone deposited $600. He made 2,200 plus profit, withdraw 600 something dollar, and now he's literally having free money. So would it be worth $50,000? Of course. And you can see why it's a good deal at the value of $9,985. And you can see why the general public buy it every single day on a regular basis for $4,997. But because you're special, you will not pay that. You can get started today for $997. So to get started right now, you're going to need to open a new browser and go to goldenoptiontrading.com/ lifetime. goldenoptiontrading.com/lifetime. For only $997 today, you'll get everything we just talked about. Get the lifetime Forex signals. Like, this is normally $100 per month. So you're saving $1,200 per year. So it's not costing you anything. You're actually saving money. So you get it free with your investment today. Get started at goldenoptiontrading.com/lifetime. So for the first, you actually have two choices right now, right? You can do nothing and not take this leap of faith, and which is 100% risk-free, so you're not going to take any risk. Or you can do the second option and pony up this small investment today, and compared to all the value you get in return, this is really a small investment. Just give it a shot. So take this leap of faith. Go to goldenoptiontrading.com/lifetime. And really the real question is it worth gambling a few minutes of your time to check this out? Which, if it does even half of what I claim today on this training, it will pay for itself as soon as you place your first few trade live. So make sure to open a new window, go to goldenoptiontrading.com/lifetime. What you're gonna get, a recap, okay? You're gonna get the lifetime VIP Forex signals, $997 value. So you're gonna get trading signals, profitable signals forever. You're gonna get the up-level trading program at $4,997 value. So this is going to teach your whole Forex trading strategy, how to get investors capital, how to really master the money game, understand the money, and how to create a source of income, your own online business. You're going to get the Forex master plan that will teach you how to get investors money, even if you got a small starting capital. You're going to get the training accelerator program, which is live webinar recorded with a certified golden option mentor. And you're going to get 52 plus technical analysis, live trading session, and Q&A for a total value of $9,985 for the first 100 people that take this decision today. I have special bonus, a special offer that I told you at the start of the call that I would give you. This is only for the first 100 people. I will actually give you private access to a private Forex education group. This is a private chat room, and actually there's already 49 members in there. But what our premium members get, so the members that are in there at the moment, there's already 49 members. They get a chat room with a certified golden option mentor and other passionate traders. You get to ask your question, post your chart, and have direct access to a mentor, which is offered nowhere else. You cannot pay us for that. It's not offered anywhere else. You get private training video and Q&A that are not offered anywhere else. This is where you get access to the Q&A and a private training video and way more. Get started, goldenoptiontrading.com/lifetime. This is only for the first 100 people, but actually I made a little mistake doing my slide. You saw that there's 49 people already in there. So we're actually want to cap this group at 100 people. So it's actually for the next 51 people. And I can see that like we already have some sales. So it's starting to fill out. So congrats. By the way, I see John. I see David. We got some Canada over here. We got USA, Portugal. Insane. So guys, you get the lifetime access to a chat room with a certified golden option mentor and other passionate trader to ask your question 24/7. This is priceless. So go fast. Go to goldenoptiontrading.com/lifetime. If you don't find the link for whatever reason it's not working, you can go on any of our web page and you should be able to talk to our support and get the link. But goldenoptiontrading.com/lifetime, it should be working. for whatever reason, okay, you will see the payment processor is with PayPal, but you can make the payment with your debit card, with your credit card. You don't need to have a PayPal account. If for whatever reason you cannot afford this today, but you really want to get this started, there's a financing option. I think it's only available for people in the US, but there's a PayPal credit that offer you financing. So you can actually check that out. Google PayPal credit. If you really don't have that, if you're from the US, you might be able to get some financing to invest in that. So if you want to get started right now, goldenoptiontrading.com/lifetime. So guys, I will stay here for about 30 minutes to answer your question. So while I answer your question, we have some people starting to send some few questions. Like, if you're ready to get started, you can go to goldenoptiontrading.com/lifetime, but I will stay on the call to answer your question. Get started today, $997. Okay, so we got a first question. I know this is not a scam? So good question. So guys, so first of all, I'm here. I give you my name. I show you everything. Nicholas is a real person. We're paying for a certified golden option mentor every single month. We have a support team that we're paying. We are paying more than $7,000 per month just to run this business. Plus, we're investing more than $12,000 per month in advertising at the moment. So we're investing about $20,000 per month in this business. So we wouldn't invest all that money to promote a scam or something that it's not working or whatever. Secondly, you saw dozen and dozen of testimonials and results today, but if for whatever reason you need more, you can go to goldenoptiontrading.com/review. There's 200 plus review testimonial trading result on there that we have been generated since 2017. People have result. We've been in the game for 3 years plus, so no business or scam or whatever could stay that long. And like, we share a story every single day on Instagram story everywhere, so there's no way we could be a scam. Like, we're honest. We do live every single week. Like, we talk with our people. So yes, and you can talk with our support 24/7. You'll get answer any question. Okay, so second question. What if I'm already a lifetime VIP Forex Signals member? So that's a good question. Or even if you have like bought any program in the past, the Trading Accelerator or the Up Level Trading Program. Look, guys, just the lifetime VIP Forex Signals, a bunch of people bought it at $997 in the past, and they were super happy with their investment, as you saw. Just the Up Level Trading Program, we got a lot of people that bought it at $1,997. And you get the Forex Master Plan, the Trading Accelerator, 50 plus technical analysis, lifetime VIP Forex. Like, just that is worth the investment today. So if you are already a member, just know that you're super smart. You already had made the good decision. Now it's $997 to get everything, all the program, everything. This is the only investment you need to do. There's no other investment, no other upsell. So talking about that, another question, is there upsells and stuff? No, there's no upsell. There's no tools. There's no other monthly subscription that you need to buy. It's the only investment that you need to do. That's it. That's all. What other tools do I need? No other tools. All the tools that you need we're providing in the training. And if there's outside tools that you need, they're all free, and we're teaching you all of that in the training. Would I be able to contact you guys or talk on the phone? So yes, you will be able to contact us, obviously, with our 24/7 support. We also have a email support. If you have questions, if you cannot reach us for whatever reason, you can send a email and you don't have to wait. We'll get back to you. You will also have access for the first like 40 something people. You'll have access to the private chat room with certified golden option mentor and all our other students. So sometimes they will answer your question. You have the mentor that will answer your question. About the phone, though, we are not using a phone. We're trying to go 100% digital. We got a 24/7 support. Like I said, we got an email support that you don't need to wait, so you can send your question. We'll get back to you. And we have a private mentor. Me, I'm there, like my team tell me what questions are being asked, so I do video on those topics every single week. We got Q&A, so you're never gonna run out of information and people to help you here. So how much will it cost me in total to join your team? $997 total. That's it. That's all. You are saving $1,200 per year just on the VIP Forex signals cost by investing today. Can I trade with MetaTrader 4? Obviously, yes. You can trade with MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, any platform you want. Where would there be any possible one-on-one tutoring? Yes, we do offer one-on-one tutoring. Actually, I lied earlier. I said there's no upsell. There is no upsell, so we're not going to try to sell you on that anywhere. But if you do ask, like someone just did, if there's some one-on-one mentoring, we do offer one-on-one mentoring. That's obviously way more. The one-on-one mentoring, it's a 2 months program, and it's $4,000. Or sometimes you can get it at $3,000 if you want to do it in 30 days and have a special. Okay, but I'm not trying to sell you on that today. You can get started with a $997 today, and we'll take off the $997 that you invested today if you do want to get the one-on-one mentoring in the future. How do I get the signals, and how do I register for your Telegram? So this is pretty much the same thing. The signals are sent in the Telegram channels, and soon as you make the payment, you will have access to the member area, and there will be a big button that you will be able to click, and it will redirect you exactly to our support. And you just tell them your name and your email, and they will give you access, and that's it. That's all. You get direct access right away in the next hour after your purchase right away. When do you start giving signals each day? So we're giving signals 24 hours. So there is not a particular time that we're giving signals. There's session that we do like to trade more. So the New York and the London session, for example, we're going to send more signals, but we send signals pretty much all the time. Also, what is cool is that if your schedule don't fit ours, which it's almost impossible because we send signals anytime, you getting this program to be able to take your own trade, basically, right? So you will be able to still take profitable signals. Most of the time, like, you will have spotted the signals that we're sending. You will have spotted yourself and be trading it yourself, because we teach you the same strategy that we use to send the signals. Is there another payment method, as I don't have access to PayPal here? So you don't need to have like an actual PayPal account, but the payment processor is PayPal. So you can pay with debit, you can pay with credit, you can pay with debit, credit if you don't have a PayPal account, or you can pay with your PayPal balance. You don't need a PayPal account though, even though they're gonna ask you if you want to create one. But if you really in a country like that, you can not even make it, like, contact our support for this program. Since it's a decent investment, we like have maybe other ways, like maybe sometime Bitcoin and Skrill, and if you're in Canada, maybe Interact transfer, if you can do Interact transfer, but I'm not guaranteeing that. Try to make it with PayPal or your debit or credit card. How can I cancel my subscription? So you don't have to cancel any subscription. You get lifetime access forever. You don't have to pay anything ever. So that's the cool thing. How accurate are your signals? So the signals are really accurate. In 36 months of sending signals, I think we only have like 4 or 5 losing months, and we're making on average about 200 pips per week, 71% success rate. So that's pretty good. But we don't focus on that. We focus on the risk versus reward ratio. We focus on how many percentage we're making, but they're really profitable. So don't worry about that. If you want to follow the signals, you'll be profitable with that. Do you have a payment plan? So we don't have a payment plan, but MasterCard and Visa does. So you can pay the $997 with your credit card, and you can just make the minimum payment, which is like, I don't know, $30 per month, right? Something like that. I don't know exactly, maybe $90 per month. I don't know exactly, but that's not a lot of money, right? So you can pay the $997 with a credit card, and you can just make the minimum payment every single month, so you can actually like not pay as much to get started. I'm trying to find another. You can go, guys. I'm trying to find other question, but we're wrapping up. So, guys, go to goldenoptiontrading.com/lifetime. Like I said, we got some people joining in. Boom, boom, boom. So, like, we got a few spots left for you to be part of the private chat room. So, guys, if you're not in the first 100 people, you will still get everything you saw today, but you will not get access to the private chat room. So we're closing that at 100 people because we only have one mentor in there. Maybe in the future, if we do like have a lot of people asking about it and we mass it out at 100 people, we'll have a second one, will get a second mentor. But at the moment, it's closing up at 100 people. So take advantage of that, because you're gonna join that, right? So it's not about like if you're gonna join this program, it's just about when. So you might as well take the leap of faith today, because Golden Option, like, we're teaching you how to build an online business. We're teaching you how to get investors capital. We're teaching you a Forex trading strategy. In the future, we're going to teach about financial education in a whole. Going to get access to all of that for free if you join today, while in the future, you're going to have to pay all of this separately. So, like, get started today, goldenoptiontrading.com/lifetime. I will answer a few other questions, and this is it. So can't wait to see you inside the member area and in the private chat room. I will be there actually. So how does it work? After payment, what's next? And we have someone else. I just pay to who I send the payment proof. Okay, so for all the digital program, all the training, you're gonna get access right away. So as soon as you make the payment, you're gonna be redirected to a page where it's gonna tell you to create your account just by entering your email and a password. Make sure to use the email that you did use for the purchase, that you put in the purchase, and you're gonna get access to everything, all the digital program right away. The only other thing that you're not gonna get access right away is the lifetime VIP Forex signals. This you need to contact our support, which will get back to you in a few hours and give you access to our lifetime VIP Forex signals and to our private chat room and to our affiliate chat room as well. So we got the lifetime VIP Forex signals, the affiliate chat room, and the private chat room for education. Just send a message. You're going to see a big button in the member area, a big button after you make your purchase. Send a message to our support. If you don't find it, you can just send an email to our support or use the little live chat on our webpage. It's going to talk to our support directly, so don't worry about that. So can people from Africa copy the signals or get the program? Of course, we got people in Asia, Africa, Russia, Australia, everywhere in the world. So yes, from anywhere in the world, we got people from anywhere in the world. And okay, one final question, guys. So go to goldenoptiontrading.com/lifetime. One final question. So do you have a broker for the USA? Yes, we do have a broker for the USA. It's not the same one as the one we recommend for everyone else, but we do have a broker for the USA. So don't worry, we have a recommended broker for the USA. So if you are from the USA, you can get the program. It's a really good broker. And yeah, so guys, I'm super thankful for you for being here today. Thanks a lot. If you want to get started, actually get started. It's an opportunity that you will not see again. goldenoptiontrading.com/lifetime. We don't know how much time we're gonna have this price. It's eventually gonna go up at $1,997, and you have people that don't get this offer that actually pay $5,000 on a daily basis, guys. So get started today, and I will see you in the winner side.